Picture this, you are standing in front of a famous guidebook in one hand, phone in the other, and you still do not know what to look at first. The stones are beautiful, but they are silent. You want a voice beside you, not a wall of tiny print. Today I will walk you through AudioForge AI, my voice guided audio tour agent. It turns a place you care about into spoken narration using specialist agents, then a real text to speech voice. Stay with me, this is not a generic travel chatbot. It is a self-hosted force that plans time, researches topics, stitches speech, and plays the tour. Here is the trap. One prompt often dumps a Wikipedia essay that nobody can listen to while walking. You ask for Jaipur and you might get headings, bullet lists, and source links that a voice model would choke on. A walk-in tour needs two jobs. One job is researched content that fits your minutes. The other job is speech that sounds like a friend on the street. AudioForge keeps those jobs in a team planner, 4 specialists, orchestrator, then OpenAI text to speech with the Nova voice. The 4 specialists: architecture, history, culture, and culinary. Each one searches the web and writes conversational paragraphs with a word budget. The planner, it looks at your location, your interests, and your duration, then allocates minutes so the tour does not ramble. Meet the orchestrator. It welcomes you, weaves the specialist paragraphs, and closes the walk so the whole thing feels like one guide, not 4 essays glued together. The Streamlit app is the tour desk. You type a location, pick interests, set minutes, and press generate tour. Before we open code, keep this mental map. Location in, planner budgets, time, specialist research, orchestrator stitches, Nova speaks, headphones on. First, look at the real 4 layout from the GitHub repo so nothing feels mysterious later. The project root you will see at audio tour agent py. That file boosts the Streamlit interface and the text to speech tab. Sit agent, PyManager, Py, and printer Py. Those 3 files are the brain, the conductor, and the live status board. PyProject, Tom, README, MIDI, LENC, and a gitignore that hides virtual environments and secrets. Requirements, test with me in Visual Studio Code. We will read every dependency line. The first line is OpenAI version 1.68.2. That package talks to OpenAI models, including the speech API. Agents, version 0.0.6. That is the Agents SDK used to define planner, specialists, and the orchestrator. The third line is Pydantic version 2.10.6. Structured outputs like planner minutes and final tour sections live here. The fourth line is Pydantic core. It is the compiled engine under Pydantic, pinned so install stay reproducible. The fifth line is Python.10. That helper can load an API key from a local NV file if you choose. The sixth line is version 13.9, manager. Py uses rich to print live spinners while research runs. The seventh line is Streamlit version 1.43. That is the tour desk UI you actually click. At PyProject, Tom, it names the project AudioForge AI version 1.0.0. It requires Python 3.10 or newer, sets the MIT license, and points the homepage to the GitHub repository. Author metadata list Sharad Khare and hello at Sharad Khare in matching the readme credit. Keywords include audio tour agent, voice AI, and location tour guide. Open agent, Py. This file defines every specialist plus planner and orchestrator. We import this model from Pydantic, agent, and WebSearchTool from agents, and model settings from agents. Model settings. WebSearchTool matters. Specialists are not reciting stale training trivia. They must search for up-to-date place context. First specialist is the architecture agent. Its instructions ask for styles, notable buildings, urban planning, and details a walker might miss. It must speak in a detailed descriptive voice with no markdown headings because the text will be read aloud later. It also must stay inside a word limit so a 10-minute tour does not become a 40-minute lecture. The architecture agent uses model GPT-4 Mini, requires the web search tool, and returns a Pydantic class named architecture with one field output. Second specialist is the culinary agent. It highlights local food, markets, and dishes with an enthusiastic, passionate voice. Third is the culture agent, traditions, arts, music, and venues in a warm, respectful tone. Fourth is the history agent, landmarks, events, and lesser known stories in an authoritative but still spoken style. Each of those 4 returns the same simple shape, a class with one string field called output. That is on purpose. The manager can treat every specialist as a paragraph factory, not a nested JSON puzzle. Now the orchestrator agent, its job is not to invent new research. It assembles a full tour from specialist paragraphs. It writes a warm introduction, keeps architecture, then history, then culture, then culinary, and finishes with a short conclusion. It is told not to rewrite specialist facts, only to accumulate them and add transitions so the walk feels continuous. Is final tour. Fields are introduction, architecture, history, culture, culinary, and conclusion, all strings. Finally, the planner agent. It receives location, interests, and duration, then returns numeric minutes for each section. Planner uses model kit for a stronger planner than the mini specialists because time math is the budget of the whole walk. Its output type is planner with float fields for introduction, architecture, history, culture, culinary, and conclusion. Picture a cathedral. Planner should give architecture and history more minutes than culinary unless you explicitly asked for food. Pie story. For researchers, one time accountant, one stitching guide. Pie. Class tour manager is the conductor that actually runs the walk. And JSON plus sequence from collections. ABC, import runner, run result span, gen trace add, and trace from the agents package. Those tracing helpers let you inspect the run later on the OpenAI traces page. From agent, we import every specialist class and agent object plus planner, planner agent, final tour, and orchestrator agent. From printer, we import printer, the live status widget. TourManager, .init creates a rich console and a printer wrapped around that console. Method run is async. It takes query, which is the location, interest as a list, and duration. First, it makes a trace add, then opens a trace named tour research trace. Printer shows you a traces URL, then a line that says starting tour research. Then it awaits .getPlan. Planner returns min allocations, even though the later word budget is also computed locally. Stay with me on the word math. The code assumes 150 spoken words per minute. Total words equals duration times 150. Then words per section equals total words divided by how many interests you pick. Only selected interests get researched. If architecture is in the list, it awaits a get architecture with that word limit. Same pattern for history, culinary, and culture. Unselected topics stay quiet, so a food and history walk does not pay for unused architecture. Then it awaits bal get final tour with the research dictionary, and printer marks the final report done. After the trace block, manager concatenates the orchestrator sections that match your interests with blank lines between them. Notice something honest here. Introduction and conclusion exist on final tour, but this join loop currently appends only the selected specialist fields. That is a teaching moment. The orchestrator still writes intro and outro, yet the Streamlit audio uses the concatenated specialist paragraphs. If you fork this repo, you might prepend for introduction and append final all tour. Conclusion, so the spoken file matches the orchestrator contract. Helper to get plan calls runner, run on planner agent with a string that includes query, interests, and duration. Each specialist helper does the same shape, update a printer spinner, run the agent with location, interests, and a word, limit range, then mark the item done. Look at the prompt formatting. Word limit is sent as a range like 100 to 120 because the specialist instructions demand a strict band. A final tour builds a long prompt, location, selected interest, duration, target word count, and the specialist paragraphs joined together. It asks the orchestrator to sound like a friendly guide walking beside the visitor with phrases such as look to your left and notice how. Then run calls orchestrator agent, and the method returns final tour. Manager done, planner first, specialist next, orchestrator last, printer talking the whole time. Pi. This tiny file is the live console dashboard during research. Class printer wraps rich live. It keeps a dictionary of items mapped to content and a done flag. Update item stores a new line, optionally hides the check mark, then flush redraws the live group. If an item is still running, flush shows a dot spinner beside the text. If it is done, you get a green check. That is why the terminal feels alive while 4 web searches are in flight. Now switch to aid audio to agent Pi, the Streamlit front door. Streamlit as Essentio to a manager from manager, set default OpenAid key from agents and JSON. Function that takes the finish to text. Inside it, we import path and OpenAI, then create a client. Speech file path is speech.tour. MP3 is sitting next to this Python file. Audio speech create uses model gate 4 mini TTS voice Nova and the tour text as input. The instructions tell Nova to sound like a friendly tour guide walking alongside the visitor, warm and conversational, never robotic. Response stream to file writes the MP3 and test returns that path. Function rumishing is a small bridge. Streamlit is not always in a clean async loop, so we try asyncio, run, and if a loop already exists, we use run until complete. Setup a config says the title to AI Audio 2 agent, a headphone emoji as the icon, layout wide, and the sidebar collapsed at first. In the sidebar field collects your OpenAI API key. On save it lands in session state, then set a default OpenAI key receives it. The main title welcomes you. A card says this is your personalized audio tour guide. Left column asks where you would like to explore, a text input for city, landmark, or location. Then a multi-select for interests. Options are history, architecture, culinary, and culture, with history and architecture selected by default. Right column has a duration slider from 5 to 60 minutes, default 10, stepping by 5. A voice style select box offers friendly and casual, professional and detailed, or enthusiastic and energetic. That voice style widget is on the form, but the current text function always uses the same Nova instructions. That is another honest teaching beat. The UI shows personality choices. The speech call is still the one warm guide prompt unless you wire the select box through. When you press generate tour, the app checks 3 gates. API key present, location filled, at least one interest selected. Then a spinner says it is creating your personalized tour of that location. TourManager is constructed and run async calls from GuCar. Run with location, interests, and duration. The return string is shown in an expanded title tour content. A second spinner generates audio. TITS receives that string, a progress bar jumps to complete, and ST audio plays the MP3. A download lets you save location or tour. MP3 with spaces turned into underscores. Key in the sidebar. Place and interests on the desk. Research. Script, Nova voice. Download. Let me give you a concrete walk. Imagine Priya stands at Hawa Mahal in Jaipur and picks history plus architecture for 10 minutes. Planner should lean minutes toward palace stories and facade details. Then history and architecture agents search. Then Nova talks while she looks up at the windows. Second example, you have 20 minutes inside a museum hall in Paris and you pick culture plus history. The culinary agent stays quiet. The script should feel like gallery whispers, not a restaurant list. Third example, a food first evening in Osaka. Culinary plus culture, 50 minutes. Now markets, dishes, and local manners should dominate the word budget, with architecture getting silence. Fourth example, a sunset walk around the Colosseum in Rome, all 4 interests, 30 minutes. That is when you really hear planner work, because 4 specialists must share the remaining minutes after intro and outro. Why this pattern beats one lonely chat is simple. Time is budgeted, topics stay in their lanes, and speech is written to be spoken. Web search keeps landmarks current, word limits keep the MP3 walkable. Nova turns paragraphs into a companion voice. The printer plus traces give you a debug window when a specialist stalls. Who is AudioForge for? Travel product builders who need a voice to a prototype, not another chatbot demo. Museum and city guide teams testing location aware narration. Developers learning OpenAI agents, structured outputs, and a Streamlit speech desk, and anyone who wants to hear how specialist agents plus text to speech become one walking companion. To run it yourself, clone GitHub. com/Sharad Khare/AudioForge AI. Change into the folder, then install dependencies from requirements. Text you with pip. You need one OpenAI API key because both the agents and the Nova speech call use that same key. Py or Streamlit run 8 audio tour agent. Py and open the local URL. Paste the key in the sidebar, type a place you actually know, pick 2 interests, keep duration short, and listen before you trust the script. Try one focused walk first, 1 landmark, 2 interests, 10 minutes. Read the expander, then put in the headphones. Remember the craft rule out loud with me. Treat AudioForge as a tour writer, not an autopilot historian. Verify names, hours, and directions before you publish a walk for real visitors. Keep this picture, location in planner budgets minutes, specialist search, orchestrator stitches. Nova speaks. When the next street still feels like a silent map, press play on AudioForge and let the stones, the stories, and the snacks start talking in your ears.